In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your high performance plan is missing from your Windows 11 computer. So in order to fix this, we first need to head over to the Start menu on your computer and then just search for CMD and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. So in this black window, we're going to type in the following command. I'm just going to head over to my notepad here and I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this as well. So over here, we basically have 4 different plans. We've got the high performance, balanced, power saver, and also ultimate performance. So depending on what plan you want to use for your computer, you're just going to copy all of the text below that particular plan. So let's say, for example, I wanted to use the high performance plan. I'm just going to copy all of this text like so. Right click and select copy. Then if I head back over to the command prompt and I paste all of that text in like so, what will happen now is if I come over to the Start menu on my computer and search for Control Panel, click on the Control Panel window and make sure View By is set to large icons and then select Power Options. Now what will happen is down here underneath additional plans, you'll have this option now for high performance, and obviously we can change this depending on what plan you want to use. Like I said, you've got high performance, balance, power saver, and also ultimate performance. So you'll just need to copy and paste whatever code you want to use depending on the plan. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you get the high performance plan to reappear in Windows 11. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.